So.
One versus
Oh,
one.
no. Oh, one on one.
Try now.
There we go. No.
Reggie Miller's the third guy. Unless you want to be Reggie Miller.
I'm going to try Moses. I think Moses would be pretty cool. Oh, what about Moses? Holy Moses. Take your place, yeah. Alright, your house, your rules. Johnny, however you
Best
want.
of 5.
4
minutes.
Okay.
No limits.
No limit. No goaltending. No fouls. Oh my. And we got fire. Hot spot. Loser out. Alright. This will be very interesting. Woo! Remember the shot percentage.
Okay, hello, welcome back.
What's up, YouTube?
Yep. We have Yao, Mose, and Reggie Miller. Please like, subscribe.
You know the rest.
Yeah.
Alright. Yao Prep Academy.
In an official game of 21, 3 players go on the court, but only 1 player comes off. Let's go.
Moses Malone, Reggie Miller. This will be interesting. Alright, here we go.
Hot spot.
That sure was a hot spot indeed. You got it. Hey, come on now. Oh, okay. Woo! Crowded. All right, get me on the board. Oh, nice dunk. Yao Ming. Come on now, give me a shot. Give me a chance. Maybe I can make a 3. Maybe I don't even have a chance to make a 3. Woo! Block knock. Block knock. What is that? Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah, super shot.
oh.
Get out of here. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, get that shot out of here. Oops. Ooh, what a dunk. Let's go. 8-5-8. Reggie trying to hold his own against these 2 bigs. But it's not going to happen for him. One of the posters, but we'll take it. Uh-oh. Oh, rejecting. Uh-oh. Oh, he got it, but you're going to take it out, I think. Oh, uh-oh. Nice shot. Moses Malone. That was the old dagger shot. Uh-oh. Reggie Miller missed it from 3? What's up with that? Alright. Alright, we'll take it. That's the first round. Uh-oh.
Go ahead.
There, you made it for me. You got me cooking. Hey, now.
Oh.
Oh, Reggie. Get out of here with that. Get out of here with that, Reggie. Woo! Sorry about that. Yeah, I turned him over. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, that wasn't me. That was Reggie. I swear. Get him. Yeah, get him. Hey,
You too.
now, wait a minute. Uh-oh. Oh, almost got it.
Get in there.
Reggie getting that rebound. Boom! It was like a thunderous gunshot.
He's
Boom!
killing me.
Uh-oh. Holy, nice shot. Holy Moses, he got that one. That was a nice shot. Oh, thank you. Oh, from the free throw line.
Is he good at dunks?
Yes, very good. Oh! Oh, pretty good at blocks, too. Whoa! Swishing. I ain't J-Dog. I can't make them shots.
Ooh! Fade away.
Oh, man.
No! Oh.
Sorry there. That's all. Oh. 2-2-16. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, he got that one now.
3 points.
That was a long ball, too. Oh. Woo! Reverse dunking. That was a bit.
Right, yeah.
Come on, Yao. Oh, no. Oh, hey. Wait a minute. Okay. Boom. That was your dunk jam. Boom. Get out of here with that. Oh. Out of here with that. Block party. Everyone's invited here. Except for Yao's like, no, you gotta block me. I'm 7'4". Something like that. Oh, hello. Oh, swish. Man, that was a long ball. Uh-oh. That's a dunk show right there. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. A little practice from before. Here comes. Oh. Oh. Oh, tried it through the legs. They couldn't get a good defense. Oh. I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, I couldn't get it. Tie score between the two. All right. Okay. Boom. Ooh. Close. Another. Yao Ming hitting the deck again. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Man, oh man.
Oh, that was a good one.
Oh my. Uh-oh, he's cooking. He's a cooking. He's a cooking. Oh. In there. Come on, I'm on fire. What's up with that? I'm cooking. Don't touch me. I'm cooking. Don't touch me. I'm cooking. Say, don't touch me. I'm cooking. Oh, hello. Come on now. Come on, guys. Don't touch me. I'm cooking. I love cooking. Whoa. That was
crazy.
insane. Look at that smoking ball. My. Don't touch me. I'm cooking. Oh. Holy Moses. Don't touch me. I'm cooking. Ooh. Oh, I missed. You can score for me if you want. Man. Oh, we missed that one. Come on now. Get out of here, Reggie. Oh. Okay, my fire is done. Come on, Yao. Ooh. Oh, nice dunk. That was good. Alright, come on now.
It's down by 8. Come on with that. We ain't playing blitz. We playing ball.
Oh, good dunk. 8-2-14.
That's 4 points an answer.
Oh, man. Poor Reggie. Poor Reggie. Woo! Man. Oh, big
Hey,
dump.
well, you won this one.
Yeah.
The train.
Oh, jeez. He is so untouchable in this game if you ain't got a big like that.
It's all good.
I think Reggie's gonna take it out. No.
Down 6.
No wonder. All right. Good game. We'll check out the statistics. You beat Reggie's trick points. Barely. Look at that. All right. Let's see what we got for our blocks and steals. All right. Here we go. So.
30 blocks for me.
Wow. And I had 27. And I had 29 steals. You had 16 steals. I had 4 alley-oops. I did some, you did the off the Heasel, and I did some active holds.
You can choose.
The one-on-one?
Yeah.
All of them?
You and the other.
Oh, and the computer.
Yeah.
Okay. We can do that.
LeBron James not on the team, is he?
Oh, he is.
LeBron is?
Yeah, I know.
What's he in?
He's in Youngblood. Since he came fresh out of high school. Alright, so we can do that. We'll do Youngblood only.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
And I'll pick LeBron.
What?
I'll pick LeBron.
Okay.
And then, for the computer for Youngblood, no? I don't know. Rashard Lewis, you know LeBron actually teamed with him later on, in Miami. Alright, let's do Carmelo. Carmelo as the computer would be pretty cool.
Okay.
Melo! Remember when it shot in and I was like, yep, no more of that. Alright, cool.
Hello, NBA Ballers fans. This week we have a special treat for you in the form of a one-on-one-on-one contest between.
Alright, here we go. Look at this. MC Supernatural. He's a ghost. Oh, there we go. Rashard Lewis.
Hey, LeBron.
You got LeBron James. And you got Carmelo Anthony, who will be. Ooh, you got some
Sam
passing.
Dubs, Lou Gardner.
You got some good ones.
What about hotspot?
It's a good shot. Yes, it is. 3 points.
Lewis.
That was a good one. I like the chain. There's mine. Yeah, there we go. I usually don't hit those hot spots very often, but I'll take the short shot. Carmelo. Uh-oh. Ooh, Rashard Lewis, you know, he's a sniper from 3. Oh. Nice
Oh,
dunk,
he's not
Melo.
Yao Ming. He's not Yao Ming.
He is not Yao Ming. That is correct. Oh, man. Woo, the hammer down. Young gun. Oh, tried the old
That's what I had.
alley-oop there. Yeah. Almost got that one. Get out of here. Ooh. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Woo! There we go. Oh. Alright. Thank you. On a 3. What was that? Let's go! Man, that was a great alley-oop. That was gnarly. And that dunk. I don't know what one was better. They were both good. Good shots. Good dunks. Give me that ball. Yeah! Redeemed himself. Let's go. Give me that 3, LeBron. Oh, man. Nice. That's a pretty good game right here now. Oh, what was that? Give me that. That's it. Oh, maybe not. Oh, get out of here. All right, 5 seconds to go. Nice, we tied it up. All right, good. That was a good block. I'm surprised that he can block, you know, being that size.
The
Laser bullet. 4.
Two-point lead. But behind the three-point
Oh man, that was. Oh man, Rashard Lewis ain't messing around. He ain't got no juice though, but he ain't messing around.
leads by 2.
Oh, you were fine.
That was a good. That was a good self alley.
Yeah, well,
Uh-oh.
Leads in.
Man, you cooking right now, Johnny. You're cooking. Can he get something going?
Flags one to the basket.
Swish. Nice. Take the old super shot. Hey, now he hit me right in the head. That was not cool, bro. Ooh, take that for hitting me in the head. Ooh. 11, 7, 14. Out of here. 3, 2. Ooh, I think you might have a chance. Oh! Well, I think that's a tie score again. Bounce, 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 bounce. Careful. Uh-oh.
oh!
Wow. Wow, I'd like to be able to do that too. Maybe not.
Oh.
Ooh. There we go. Come on, come on. Get out of here with that. Ball don't lie, Mello. Ball don't lie, Mello. I'm the rookie of the year, not you. It was a close race for the rookie of the year between those two. Ooh. Okay. The wrecking ball came through.
How do you dive for the ball?
Turbos and A to the ball. Sorry about that, Mello. Well, okay. Get that shot out of here.
Get in there.
Nice. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Oh!
Yeah. Beautiful bounce.
That was a good one. I get a lot of good friendly bounces. Last time I didn't really get many good ones. Look at him dribble. Oh, and blocking. Uh-oh. Man, that ball was in the air. And that was close to being blocked too by Rashard Lewis. Man, first round. Block. Oh, that was a powerful dunk. 7-7-12, Rashard. For 3. Sorry. Get in there. Oh. Alright, first round. First round of this whole game took so long, didn't it? Oh. Almost. Oh,
yeah.
That was not clean. I'm shoving him out of the way. That was not clean. Ooh. Uh-oh. Mello with a vengeance. Oh, Rashard. With a block. Oh. Get that ball. Thank you. Poster. Okay, LeBron, what you gonna do there? Look at that. Get out of here. Ooh. Where'd he go? Hey, I was on the way down. That was on the way down, Johnny, and you know it. Oh. Yeah, I know. Hey, how you like it? Oh, give me a ball, dude. There we go. Fade away. Let's go. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, how did he do that? How did he make that?
I don't know. Took it straight on to the cup. Oh, get that shot out of here, Mello. Oh, he went down. Oh, okay.
Oh, he's counted it.
Get out of here with that counter. Oh, LeBron got the moves. Wow, 113,000. Uh-oh, this is in. Oh, it's not. Blocking that alley-oop. Oh, and the jumper. And the dunk. Nice dunk. He's gonna go down at some point. Uh-oh. 5.7.
You want in.
Alright. Second round for me. But come on, let's get it. Oh, dropping that one. Oh. Yeah! You know what they say? Don't succeed, try again, right? That was a swisher. Oh, man. Anything you can do, I can do better, he says. Make it.
Oh, nice shot.
Thank you.
That was a good shot.
And we're getting some good threes going on in this round. Nice. Very nice. Ooh. Take it. In. Yo! Man, LeBron cooking this round with threes. Oh. Oh. Oh, nice bounce. 9-4-13. Richard, take it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 12-4-13. We can say Northern Airballs are going to be taken out. Oh, yeah, that's right. Get that alley. All right. And that's the game. All right. Man, LeBron James. Charlotte, he did pretty darn good. Now, let's see what the stats are on this game. Let's see. You had 9 3-pointers. Wow. I had 4. That's not bad. You had 26 blocks. I had 44 blocks. We had the same amount of steals. I had some alley-oops in there, some active fools. I was trying to show up Mello. Trying to do on me. All right. Very good. Not bad.